Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and launching SSMS. Make sure the SQL Server service is running and you have the server name and credentials. Once done, run SQL Server Management Studio as administrator so you avoid permission issues, then select the server from the Connect dialog. If you use Windows authentication, SSMS uses your current account. If not, pick SQL Server Authentication and enter username and password. This gets you into the environment quickly and securely, so you can proceed to work. Once connected, navigate Object Explorer to find your target database and its folders for tables, views, and stored procedures. Right-click the database and choose New Query to open a query editor already tied to that database. This avoids running commands against the wrong instance. Make sure the query context in the toolbar shows the correct database, and review database properties like compatibility level and recovery model before making schema or data changes. This sequence prevents accidental modifications and aligns your work with environment constraints. To execute, enter your TSQL in the query window and click Execute or press F5, then read the Messages and Results tabs to confirm success. For any data-altering work, wrap statements in a transaction so you can test and then commit or roll back safely. After finishing, disconnect or close SSMS to free resources. If something goes wrong, first read the error text, then check server error logs, user permissions, and network connectivity. These steps quickly reveal common causes and guide corrective action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.